Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through the overall condition and of course go through major talking points, features and the specifications. The vehicle itself is a 430D M Sport Gran Coupe. It is presented in the mineral grey. It's also equipped with BMW's fantastic M Sport Plus pack, and of course I'll talk you through what's included in that. Alongside that, we fitted the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, which really helps that very nice standout mineral grey look even better. At the front of the vehicle, it is a 2015 65 reg. There you'll be able to see the Angel Light xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car, you'll see the gloss black air breathers. We've fitted the car out with the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and of course the YNC Mperformance decals. In terms of the alloy wheels, on this car we've added the 19-inch 442M wheels. Sitting behind there, straight away there you can see those M Sport Plus brakes, which of course both get on front and rear. Moving on, as part of the Plus pack, we get the sun protection glazing package on the rear windows. Moving on for our first glance at the interior, which for this vehicle we get the very nice coral red Dakota leather, which comes with both the heated electric movement and the memory for driver's side. And of course, again thanks to that M Plus pack, we've got the very nice Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. Always a very sought after option in anything within the BMW range, of course. Again, you'll see just how nicely presented all of that interior is, which matches the exterior very nicely. Moving on towards the rear seats, where you'll find the 3 seats Isofix rear bench, a central folding armrest, and again, being the M Sport model, of course we have that darkened M Sport headlining, which is all in great condition. Moving towards the very rear of the car, again just showing you the wheels, all in nice condition in the original Bi-Orbit grey, and all come with premium mixed run flat tyres. So at the rear, you'll find we've added the high gloss rear boot spoiler, a satin rear diffuser, and of course, like all the other Gran Coupes, we find the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which reveals an exceptionally large boot, along with the genuine floor mats, which will of course accompany the vehicle. And you also have the option for the split folding seats, which again further enhances that already very large boot space. Whilst that shuts itself down, we'll move around to the other side, where again we can just take 1 or 2 seconds to appreciate how well this vehicle looks, and of course how well the overall condition really is. And we'll move on now to take a seat inside, because there is yet very much more special things to go over in terms of the features and functions. We've also got the power fold mirror function equipped onto this vehicle, which of course can be controlled just using this button over here, or you can of course hold the lock button on your key fob. So first of all, I'll start the car up whilst we have a look through some of the features and functions of that very nice professional wide navigation and media screen. Running you through that, there is the nav. We've also got Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB radio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including the superb music collection, which allows you to rip and store music directly to the vehicle's hard drive. So if you've still got a lot of CDs or different USBs that you share with another member of the house, you can bring them into the car, store them onto the car's hard drive, and then simply leave them in the house. Going back towards the vehicle information screen, we'll go down in the meantime and have a look at the service history. We'll have a look at the dual climate control, and of course where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. Of course, as well as that superb 3-litre engine up front, we've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. Going through to the service requirements, as you can see everything is highlighted in the green. Going down into engine oil there, you can see it does say 2,700 miles till next service. And of course this does come under our parameters. Anything 3,000 miles or 3,000 miles and below, should I say, here at Your Next Car will have a service, so that will be serviced in-house within the next day, as soon as we can find space into our workshop, which it is booked in and has got a slot booked for the car. That will be provided with a full documentation of the service that's been carried out, along with a service invoice, of course. So that will keep up to date with the service history of the car. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And like I say, hopefully you found this informative, and hopefully it will aid in making your informed decision upon purchasing your next vehicle. thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and we hope to see you very soon, guys. Take care and goodbye.